Please subscribe, like, support us and share our videos with your friends and explore your skills with us. Can you tell me where we can learn HTML web technology? html.com. Can you tell me where we can learn PHP web technology? php.net. Can you tell me where we can learn algorithms? algorithm-visualizer.org. Can you tell me where we can learn CSS web technology? css-tricks.com. Can you tell me where we can learn Bootstrap web technology? getbootstrap.com. Can you tell me where we can learn API? rapidapi.com/learn. Can you tell me where we can learn JavaScript web technology? javascript.info. Can you tell me where we can learn Git and GitHub? learnjitbranching.js.org. Can you tell me where we can learn MySQL? mysql.com. Can you tell me where we can learn React technology? react-tutorial.app. I hope this tutorial is beneficial for our audience. Yeah, goodbye to all and enjoy with your family and friends. Technology is best when it brings people together. Matt Mullenweg.